Once, this car was a symbol of speed, power, and pure luxury. A Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, engineered to dominate the road with every curve, every detail. But now, that same machine lies abandoned, deep inside a forgotten jungle temple, destroyed by fire, consumed by time, and slowly reclaimed by nature. Look around. Broken stone walls, hanging vines, wet earth covered in mud and roots. Golden sunlight breaks through the collapsed roof, cutting through mist and dust in the air. And right at the center, a burned, silent Lamborghini. Its matte black finish is gone, replaced by layers of charcoal and ash. The headlights shattered, the bumper torn apart, and the front wheel melted into the ground itself. There was a time when this engine roared, when people stopped and stared as it passed by. Now, all that remains is the sound of dripping water and distant jungle life. A soft echo. But one question remains. How did it end up here? Music builds slightly. Was it hidden away? Was it lost in some forgotten accident? Or is there a deeper story, something buried beneath the silence? Take a closer look. The cracked carbon fiber on the hood, the soot-covered SVJ badge, the vines wrapping around the exposed engine. Nature is slowly taking it back. Ambient sound rises. Time never stops, and even the greatest creations eventually become ruins. Soft, emotional tone. But this is not the end of the story. Because inside every broken machine, there is still potential, a chance for a new beginning. Music shifts, hopeful tone. Maybe this burned Lamborghini will rise again. Maybe one day its engine will roar once more. And if that happens, this won't just be a restoration, it will be a comeback. A story of bringing something dead back to life. Music fades slightly. This journey is not just about a car. It's about fighting time, defying destruction, and proving one simple truth. Nothing is truly over until you give up.
What happened in here? The dust is everywhere.
الداخل مدمر بالكامل.